Welcome! In front of me I have a Zeblaze Stratos, and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this watch. First, let's wake up the screen on our watch. You can do it by pressing the upper button. After you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen, and now you can swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel. On this panel, you should see a bunch of icons, and one of them should look like this, like the bell icon. This is the Do Not Disturb mode icon. And to enable the mode, simply tap on this icon. The icon will change the color, and it will say Do Not Disturb mode or Do Not Disturb on, which indicates that the mode is enabled. Then, once you're done, you can press the lower button to go back to watch face. And to disable the mode, simply open the quick panel, tap on the icon. The icon will change the color. It will say Do Not Disturb mode off at the top, and then you can press the side button to go back to watch face. And that's how you enable and how you disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.